You start with two squares, side by side. Then highlight the prime meridian, which is the divide. Why wait till later? Let's draw the equator. Four lines of longitude to set the mood. And 4 lines of latitude to build our attitude. Africa's a potato, the size of a section, though shifted and tilted in this direction. The lower part, like a diving shark, starts in the middle of this tater, dives just below this line, and returns with the dorsal fin just above the equator. He just missed this mad fish. South America is tilted even more, an oval going 1/3 in 3 of the 4, halfway in the south. Like an elephant's trunk, the lower part reaches down, not quite to the second line as it curls up around. Don't forget the peanuts. Three-fourths of this space does North America fill 'em. Extend it here, add a tail there, and a big C at the middle bottom. Here in the middle, as pretty as can be, are the Caribbean islands of Cuba and Haiti. You can finish the C with a squiggle as it ends in Panama, then head back up getting wider, but not forgetting the tail of Baja. Alaska and Canada take up a lot of space. Good luck trying to conjure an image to trace. More squiggly lines is all I can say, except for this big indent, which is Hudson Bay. Misnamed Greenland takes up half this space, and the much smaller Iceland is so easy to trace. The Middle East is a big boot, plain and clear, touching this line and extending to here. Asia is massive, so let's take it slow. Bigger than this section, more above than below. Split this in half. A bent fingertip pushes a crumb. Then a praying mantis reaches for equilibrium. Here at these crosshairs are Indonesia and the Philippines, made up of more islands than you've ever seen. Australia is a continent, loosely shaped like a bean. And New Zealand is lower still, almost not seen. China bulges out and around this line, extends to Korea, then continues the incline. All of this is Russia, even when it meets more land. Oops, let's go back and draw Japan. Perhaps with Europe, it's easier to start with the Mediterranean Sea, a large body of water full of history. Now let's make 4 ovals, getting smaller as we go. One up above and a smaller one below. Scandinavia fills this oval, except for the Baltic Sea. Then a scraggly coast turning just past the line down to Burgundy. Spain and Portugal nearly close the divide. Then comes the high heel and the islands that can't hide. One more outcropping is Greece looking like a glove. Then there's Turkey with the Black Sea above. And then there's the British Isles, located on the prime meridian. After all, it goes through Greenwich, where time began. There's one more area we can draw in a snap, and that's Antarctica at the bottom of the map.